Okay, so now let's talk about the volume breaker. Let's destruct something, right? Okay, so let's go on. So before actually applying the thinking particles, going into the thinking particles, let's create just two geometries. Not plane. Let's create a box, right? And I don't know, kind of sphere. So there you have it. Beautiful. So just there you can see. So I go to my particle system, thinking, and apply it. So let's create the group, two groups. One will be the sphere, and another will be, I'll call it floor. Right? Okay. So let's transform into the particles. I will rename first the main group, and inside of this group I will create object to particles, right? And go to the generator and object to particles. So I will pick this one and send it to the sphere group, object to particles, instance shape, and height. So the next one, so what I usually do, I don't apply everything in here. So because when you have too many objects, you have to select it, see in which group they are. So there's too much time you will waste for just searching. So I will just copy this, remove this sphere. By the way, copy, just shift and left click on your mouse. That's all. Well, I will pick my floor here and send it to the floor group, object to particles, instance shape, height. So let's click show mesh. So there you go. So I would like just having this ball coming down and crash here. So I'm not gonna, I will just quickly show you how to do that. So we'll talk more about when we will do our project. For example, there's three ways how to make your floor static. I mean, so it won't move anywhere. So the basic way is just click the neutron group, send it to the neutron group, or you can with the shape collisions that I will show you right now. For example, then we will need a gravity. So let's rename gravity. So for what? I mean, for which thing I would like to add gravity? I mean, I would like gravity to be affected only with the sphere. I would like to be affected right now. I don't want the floor affected with the gravity. So I'll, for example, choose sphere, right? And go to the operator, dynamic, and force. There you have it. So I will just connect them. Again, I will go to the helper, standard. Oops, you won't be able to see standard. What is that? 0.3. So I will connect here, minus z value, and on the force. I think 72 is the real gravity. I'm not sure. Well, I will change the colors to red. So let's see if it's affected. Yes, it's affected, but the wrong direction because I haven't checked the -1. Yeah, now. Yep, I have it. Okay, now I would like to create the shape collision SC. I will just rename it, and shape collision right here, shape collision SC. So which I want to distract, it will be sphere. And the second way where you can make the floor static to be your ground is choose deflector as a floor. That's all. So it won't move anywhere. Well, there you go. You see, it's static. So beautiful. Yeah. So it doesn't go through this box. Then we want to break it. So I will just call it a volume breaker, just VB. That's all. So what I want to distract, I want to distract my sphere, right? I'll choose this sphere and simply add the operators, volume break, right? So I must send them to the new group, right? So I don't have it, but I also want shape collision to be affected by this group too. So I will create one group, call this group shape collision, SC, move it up, and I will include here the sphere, and inside of this group I will create new one. I will call it frags. So because I don't want a shape collision to be affected, affect the floor, just these two things, right? So, in the shape collision, I changed the group to SC shape collision, right? So then let's send these to the frag groups. So let me just check if also the frags group, I will make it green. So there you go. There we go. You can see this kind of fragmenting, but we will adjust it. So first of all, the activation. I will choose just 7% of these sphere to be fragmented, distract. So go to the volume breaker. So I'll bring down the raster to 10 and then to 8000. So as lower the raster and as much as the density, so as much of the details you will have. There you go. Can you see it? Beautiful. So I think I could crash my machine, right? So as I told you earlier, so we're able to cache our scene. So how we will do that? So we just right click and choose cache record, and choose whatever you want to save, and there you go. Cache. It will be really fast after the cache to play. It won't crash your machine. So the timeline is bad. So let me also shape collision to put bring down the dynamic friction to about 50 to 50. Also adjust my timeline to 300. Okay, let's cache it again. So let's see what we have. Okay. There's just a few megabytes right now. So in the big things, it could take even 20 or 30. God damn it. So I would like to adjust it. I would like it to be a little faster. So I will bring up this force to 150. And let's see if it will be faster. So there you go. So as I said, you must test a lot, really loud. I mean, okay. The right now I can't see this, but distraction. Yeah, I can see it, but still more work. So this video I would like just talk about the volume breaker. So in the next video we'll start our beautiful project called the we will turn our animated character into the Ash. So why it's not distracting? Because I forgot to also add the segments to these box as a floor. So don't forget you to do that, guys. Then what you can do else within the volume breaker, so you can use helper to activate, or lights to activate your fragmenting, and yeah, it's pretty much you're good to go. Well, I mean, this was kind of a quick introduction. I mean, there's many things to cover. So, but this is not an introduction tutorial. We'll do a kind of distraction project. So, I mean, you must learn a lot about thinking particles. It will take really lots of time. It's really a bit tricky, difficult, I know, but it's fun. So, starting with the next video, we'll jump into our project and start to make some ash. So I'll see you in the next video.